So your mustache has a gap. Here's what to do. You've tried to grow a mustache, but to your dismay, it has a gap. Welcome to the world of mustaches. Sometimes, this small patch of hair under our noses can erode our self-confidence, making us feel rather self-conscious. But is this suffering necessary? Is a mustache gap really a problem? A mustache gap is a natural feature in some men. It occurs in the cupid's bow or philtrum, which is the shallow groove between the nose and upper lip. Those with the more apparent mustache gap usually have a large philtrum. Styling mustaches differently could hide the gap in those with a smaller philtrum. If you're worried about your mustache gap, there are a couple things you can do about it. None of the suggestions here include any drastic measure, no transplant, vitamins, microneedling, or anything extreme really. This post will share some simple solutions that can make your mustache appear fuller. You'll also get to learn some inside pro tips that other beardsmen with similar problems have used to overcome this problem. The things you can do are simple, but you'll have to stick around to find those out. What you can do about a mustache gap. If you're seriously bothered about your mustache gap, it may be difficult to get you to embrace it. That's okay because there's nothing bad about wanting to look a certain way. Necessity, they say, is the mother of all inventions. This is also true for good quality mustache care products. Men like you, who had problems with their facial hair, have tried to come up with solutions. Today, the market is saturated with lots of mustache and beard care products. So, there's nothing to be ashamed of or any reason to feel guilty if you want to improve your looks. Here are a few suggestions that can help you tackle your mustache gap without going overboard. 1. Train your mustache with a brush. It may sound strange if it's your first time hearing this, but it is true. You can alter the direction that your mustache hairs grow. Indeed, you can train hairs on any part of your body to grow in any direction you want. It also has nothing to do with a hair transplant or willpower. You can't exactly will your mustache to grow in a certain direction. All it takes is the regular use of a boar bristle beard brush. One that I particularly recommend is the 7 Potions beard brush. It is made with first cut boar bristles, making it thick enough for training mustache and beard hair. Its oval handle makes it perfect for small patches of hair, like mustaches. As with anything that requires training, your mustache will not grow to cover your gap overnight just because you used a brush. It does not work that way. These things take time, meaning that you need to be patient. If you don't have a lot of patience, I suggest you stay off your mirror for a couple of weeks. Checking how the training is coming along constantly in the mirror won't help at all. Luckily, you can begin to see results within a few weeks of consistent training. 2. Use good quality mustache wax. Using a beard brush to train your mustache is a great idea, but if you want better results, I suggest using mustache wax together with a beard brush. Here's why. Mustache wax would give you greater control over your whiskers. It keeps your mustache in check, even if you have the most unruly of mustache hair. Other beard care products such as beard oil, beard balm, and beard butter are also good for healthy beard and mustache growth. They help the skin beneath remain moisturized, thereby improving your chances of better hair growth. However, they don't have the type of hold that mustache wax would provide. Although those products are great, and you should have them in your beard grooming arsenal anyway, a mustache gap cannot be solved by stimulating hair growth. First of all, a mustache gap is not a problem. It is not the same as a beard patch or issue of slow growth, so there is no need to try stimulating growth in the gap. However, what you need is to cover the gap, and that's where mustache wax would come into the picture. There are several good mustache waxes available, but I recommend using any of the following 2 for good reason. First, consider the Firehouse Mustache Wax. It is a heavy-duty mustache and beard wax that is formulated to withstand all weather conditions. So, even under hot, humid, or windy conditions, you can be sure that it won't melt and lose its hold on your mustache. The wax has a natural scent and color, making it blend with most hair colors. The second option, and one that I like very much, is the Mustache Wax from Bossman Company. A single application will last for 24 hours, unless you wash it off. Training and taming is a lot easier with Mustache because of its superior holding properties. It contains no tint, making it perfect for any hair color, including brown, blonde, gray, and black. Its no fragrance status also means you won't be chock full of one particular scent all day. 3. Cover the gap with mustache fixers. Yep. This one is a cool albeit common trick among Indians due to the peculiarity of their untamed facial hairs. The trick is to use a paste to glue the mustache hairs to cover the gap. The paste ensures that the hairs remain in place throughout the day. Simcoe Hair Fixer is an excellent choice when it comes to mustache fixers. It's been around since 1948 and has established itself essentially as a synonym for mustache fixers. It won't leave you feeling like a phony, rather, it covers your embarrassing mustache gap to help boost your confidence. As a side note, I suggest you avoid anything involved in fake mustaches or hair. A mustache fixer is not the same as using a fake mustache. Whether it is a facial transplant or fake mustache, you'll still know it is unreal, and that can actually damage your perception further. 4. Trim your mustache low. This is a no-brainer. The lower your mustache is, the less obvious your mustache gap will be. The challenge here is knowing exactly how to trim without cutting off too much hair. Many people often make mistakes while trimming their mustache. If trimming your mustache low is an option that appeals to you, it is important to up your trimming techniques. Here's a video that demonstrates how to give your mustache a low trim without messing things up. 5. Shave off your mustache. What? Yes, you read that right. If your mustache gap bothers you so much that it's beginning to affect your self-esteem, perhaps it is time to get rid of your source of worry entirely. There are great beard styles that don't require a mustache. The most obvious option is a clean shave. You won't even need to grow a beard with this one. Simply get a good quality safety razor like this one. Its extra thick, heavy-duty short handle and a particularly heavy head make it perfect for getting the closest cut ever. Because it doesn't use a multi-blade, it will shave your skin without causing any irritation. Remember to use good quality aftershave after every clean shave to help eliminate razor burns and protect your skin from inflammation, ingrown hairs, and acne. If you suffer from flakiness or dryness, a smart aftershave choice would be L'Occitane Moisturizing Aftershave Balm. It contains hydrating, vegetable-based glycerin, shea butter, soothing bisabolol, and other superior ingredients for preventing irritations and skin tightening associated with close shaving. It will leave your skin feeling soft and comfortable. On the other hand, just because you shave off your mustache, that won't actually mean you have to go beardless. A clean shave is not the only beard, or non-beard, style if you're trying to remove attention from your mustache gap. If you prefer donning a full or long beard, there are quite a handful of styles you can try. You could also ask your barber to suggest some mustacheless beard styles that will suit your other facial features. Some styles that don't need a stache include the soul patch, chin puff, goatee chin curtain, and retro sideburn. However, if you don't want to shave off your mustache completely, you can opt to grow beard stubble. It will make you look awesome and sexy, without a full beard and stache. All you need to do is cut your mustache and beard very low every few days to make sure it doesn't grow long. Maintaining a beard stubble or 5 o'clock shadow look will make your mustache gap less apparent. Conclusion. Mustache gaps are just as normal as a gap tooth. It is part of your genetic makeup, and you should be proud of it. However, if it is becoming a problem for you, it is best to find safe ways to remove the perceived issue. Proper care and using the right grooming products can help improve the look of your mustache. If you are still not satisfied, consider shaving off your mustache and adopting a beard style that doesn't require one. That is an option I would recommend instead of taking any extreme measures. Remember that taking supplements, opting for medical treatments, especially ones that involve boosting testosterone levels, or undergoing any type of hair transplant can have some not so pleasant side effects. If you found the video helpful, show appreciation by giving it a thumbs up. Likewise, share it with your family and friends. Subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks and visit beardguidance.com. Thanks for watching.